Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RLFTF. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, what a recovery today. Things were not looking very good at all after the price movement on Wednesday, but the price came roaring back on good, solid volume. So in other words, definitely a lot of updates need to be made. So much so that I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of these lines down here. Yeah, they still pertain to the chart. They're just not relevant after today's big movement. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. But one of the newest areas of support moving forward, and what I would call the ideal level, when we say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best going forward? And that would be if the price could say up here above 54 cents. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 54, that does not mean the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would certainly be a great sign of power moving forward. Looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as the week plays out, so Friday and then next week, that line is going to move itself higher and higher, which is very helpful because when it comes to gauging the health of the move being defined from that low up to where it was, just use that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you best visualize that? That is what is being represented. Again, sure, staying up above 54 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. In terms of areas of resistance, main level to watch now going to be right up there at the 59-cent mark. So 59 cents, public enemy number one headed into Friday. But all in all, any angle you look at it, very impressive movement today, very nice volume. So let's see if the price can continue to build upon this momentum on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.